Gang. What's good, YouTube? I know your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger reaction. You already know what time it is, man. Today we're there with the hottest male and female artists in dancehall right now. Are the biggest ones right now. Gotta admit it. Gotta give them their credit. I don't think we ever had a Shenseea and Masicka collab. You see me? I definitely think it's needed. I definitely think the culture needs this. This is a collab I think should have been happening. You know what I'm saying? In my opinion, anyways. And it's a good look. Two of the biggest artists in the dancehall, them linking up. Bro, come on. You can't go wrong, bro. And I see that the video is doing a lot of views, man. You feel me? I saw it yesterday when it was at like 1 million, but today it's like at what? It's at 2 million in like a day, bro. You feel me? 2 million in a day. You gotta give them props, bro. And I hear a lot of people talking about, yo, they buying views, bro. Nothing like that. Cut that shit out, bro. Cut the bad mind thing out. You see me? I say, just appreciate and give blessings and give credit where credit is due. You feel me? In my opinion, Shenseea and Masicka linking up, they better. You feel me? They better be getting damn near 2 million or 1 million in a day. You see me? I say, two big artists, yeah, they should be getting these numbers. So shout out to two of them, man. But I'll check it out and see the one deal. It's a good look. I jump right now. So Shenseea featuring Masicka. The one I name It Can Run. Get it, gang. But the name on the song though, It Can Run. I will do the It Can Run. Masicka, you know, give a hit and cut. Get a piece and cut. I will go and Shen. Mind the song I chew, you know. You see me, my Masicka, yeah, because I cut by your blow. I check it out and say that she has said it. I know how Shenseea do the It Can Run. I will go and give that a piece and cut for the dog. I will go.
You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me fi cycle down. Me give a hit and run.
Wait. Oh, Shenseea do the blow hit and run. Think you coulda get me in the feelings? Think you coulda get me fi cycle down? No, sir. No, sir. Yeah. Masicka, you know, try chop her dog, try lock her down and no, so she not having it. Oh, go on.
You coulda get in on my feelings. You coulda get me fi cycle down. Me give a hit and run.
Some wicked girl is, you know that way you think we coulda get me fi cycle down. Think you came in on feelings. How they? Them girl have got one man nowadays, you know how they feel?
Me give a hit and run. Me did only one little dealings. Love you did a look, you must sit down.
No, sir. No, you're not the manners. No. You're not the manners. That at. You say me just a look like a dealings. You see, you think this I love you must see dumb? That at, man. Nah, man. That at. But you tell me say, yo, me and your type, you know, but damn. You say, yo, you think this I love? You idiot? How you feel like? You a little piece up in your feelings now, brother. Control yourself. You see me? Damn, Masicka. Damn, Masicka, you no shame, dog? The girl can't tell me that I'm going to call off her phone in the break. You no shame?
Me give a hit and run. Me give a hit and run.
Hey girl, hey, Shenseea move like a little fat, you know. There's a top mentality that you know about hit and run. Move your blouse and skirt. Where?
Hey, my youth, you take it too serious. Give a little piece, just a little feel up. Now you take a set up on me, you eat up, give me sweet.
He might say, yo, my youth. Yeah, she bright. So you think you see you give a little piece and you take it serious. Now you eat up and you take sit in your life, brother. January. Give a little piece, brother. Satisfied. Damn.
You take it too serious. Give a little piece, just a little feel.
Yeah.
Now you take a set up on me, you eat up. Give me space, give me room, give me little breeze now.
Jesus. Yo, we me have shame, brother. Whatever Shenseea have, me no want none. If you tell me say you give me a little piece, I know me obsessed and me have shame, you know. Y'all can't go with that, man. Across these scratches and them, man. How you feel like?
I want make you feel so. Throw me keep it tight and me ever clean so. Want me did want, tell me never need you. This is the people know.
That's a woman, you want me need you, brother. You can't go your ways. That hot.
Keep it on a deal, but too young for lockdown with nobody. I pray one day somebody keep
Hey, bro, boy, you too young, feel like don't with nobody open it all up and call up, you know, and the man them come put ring pan it and wife you up in after you don't know what, you know. I hope, you know. You see me after you don't know what and get used and abused, you know. I hope you know count out, boy, you look for love, you know, you're all up here, you know. Move up. Yeah, you just want fun and have fun and money? Alright, no problem. Just hopefully you can accept or come with this, you know, man. You see me? Yeah. But this song fun though, I ain't gonna lie to you. This song fun. The face, yeah, right, but song fun though. Yeah. Yeah. That could have never be me. Either way, me I hit you and run. You see me? Me I give you a hit and run. You see me? I say me I give you one piece and cut for you. That not my for me, man. You mad? Yeah, mad now, man. Man, feel like one style and craft and pattern, bro. You feel like you can't come style the G over. Yeah, Masicka, you better reply strong, man. You know. Put her in a place in a brother. You see me? You dumb? Me that's why I look at dealings. Look at it, look at my see them. Yo, Masicka, come in. I have style her. Put her in her place, brother. Come in a little softy thing, me G. Come in.
Pussy good and done. Ever me see when you pull your jaws down. Call your phone. Me want some.
Nah, bro. I can't call off her phone. Make she feel like say, yo. Make her head get even bigger, bro. Yeah, you last style there before you take girl. Say, move from me so you that girl. Me have enough girl road. Better girl than you. Better girl than you. Smarter. More intelligent. Purer. I want to man, you. Ciao.
Y'all doing again. You aren't numb. A wicked, you wicked.
That's facts. Wicked girl this man. A wicked girl mentality, you know.
Bitch, me not cycle down.
Get the bricks a level.
So she a bad bitch. You're right about that. You are a bitch, but you don't cycle down. You're right about the bitch part. A bitch alone think like that, but go on.
Can't style me, do me up. But me miss how we a fuck.
I'm too young for lockdown with nobody. I pray one day somebody keep your company.
Bro, I don't like this fit Shenseea wearing, bro. I don't know what the fuck you got on, car. What is this? This fit is atrocious, man. And Shenseea look good, you know. I'm gonna watch y'all fit like this, but come on. This is how when people have too much design and too much money. This is what happen, bro. You feel it's a kind of a design and you put them together and look good. Then don't look good together, man. This shit look trashy as hell, bro. But you see me? But Shenseea bad, though. You feel me? That's my little baby, don't you? Yeah.
You a pre-relationship and that's a no for me.
Pre-relationship and that's a no for me. What? Starky night? Lord, please.
Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings?
We soon get you for cycle down.
Nigga, I hit and run.
Jamaican and there with the Ferrari pan them. Oh,
Nigga, I hit and run. Me did only one little dealings. Love you did I look at
never see them.
Nigga, I hit and run.
Me like his song. You see his song was fierce. They get rank, man.
Nigga, I hit and run.
Move your blood clean or eat and run. Hey, me tell you this. To all the ladies out there and the good girls, don't follow Shenseea. You see me, the song just catchy and it sound good, but don't follow it. And the girl do morals think like this. You see me? Some Oriental girl think like this. Different of all, I can't do the eat and run because man I do the fucking. You see me? And we do the stabbing. And we do. You see me? So you can't go tab. Oh, move your bumper. Easy now. Easy now. And big up Shenseea and the crooks them. You see, big up Shenseea and Masicka, bro. You see me? Song very catchy. I like it. But I don't like the messages sending. You see me? Them little girl 10 nowadays ago have the same little worried mentality as you, Shenseea. But hit and run and go like say, oh yeah, me can just go for the dog and cut and that. But me give him a hit and run and him go call on my phone and them thing. That's that. First of all, we like when them things they go on. You want me to tell me not to deal with your blood cleat after that. Yeah, you do me a favor. All you feel like say you give a hit and run and rate it. And yeah, true, yeah. I true, no man has a call on my phone and feel like saying, wait, just because I'm gonna call on your phone, don't mean the man want you. Don't mean the man want you. The man just want, you see me? Yeah, the man just want to catch you every time. But don't because you ever care, we don't give a damn. You see me? So you feel like you're hurt with feelings, that's not happening, bro. You see me? So anyway, gang, let me know what you think about that in the comment section. You see me about the song there, the Wicked Girl Anthem, you see me? They feel like say, yo, man, the girl them can feel like say they can be man now and do a man do one. They still remain a lady. No, be you a bitch now. You know what I'm saying? But keep doing the thing. We now call we like hoes. You see me like the fuck hoes, but we ain't settling down with them. You see me? That's a fact. But anyway, gang, let me know what you think about that in the comment section. Let's chop it up. You already know what time it is. I don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Come on. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector.